Hello, my little superstars. Today we are going to read sentences. Are you ready? Yes. Let's begin. Follow the blue circle and read along. We are going to read about farm animals. Farm animals. What is this? And this? And this? What is this? And this? And what is this? Cow. This is a cow. The cow gives us fresh milk. Again, the cow gives us fresh milk. Your turn. Very good. Hen. This is a hen. The hen lays eggs in the nest. Again. The hen lays eggs in the nest. Your turn. Very good. Duck. This is a duck. The duck swims and quacks. Again. The duck swims and quacks. Your turn. Very good. Horse. This is a horse. People ride horses for fun or work. Again, people ride horses for fun or work. Your turn. Very good. Sheep. This is a sheep. The sheep gives us wool. Again, the sheep gives us wool. Your turn. Very good. Dog. This is a dog. The dog guards the farm. Again, the dog guards the farm. Your turn. Very good. Select the farm animal. A dog, a lion, or an elephant. So tell me, which one is the farm animal? A dog, correct. Who gives us milk? A cow, a duck, or a horse? You're right. Cow gives us milk. Very good. Who gives us wool? A sheep or a cow? Yes, sheep gives us wool. Very good. You did amazing today. You read all the sentences. Do click on the subscribe button and watch such fun learning videos every day. Take care. Bye-bye.